Imagine firing up an AI tool only to stare blankly. What can this thing even do? Yeah, we've all been there, frustrated and lost. Today, we're fixing that with Guideline 1. Make your AI's powers crystal clear from the jump. Stick around. You'll walk away with 5 game-changing patterns to design smarter interactions. Guideline 1 is your secret weapon for trust building. It says, don't leave users guessing. Spell out what the system can handle right up front. Why? Because clear capabilities mean confident users, fewer drop-offs, and way more engagement. Think of it as giving your AI a user manual, but fun and visual. We'll unpack 5 patterns to make this happen, starting with the basics. Pattern A, kick off with an introductory blurb. You know that quick, "Hey, I'm here to summarize emails" pop-up. Boom, sets expectations in seconds. Use it on onboarding screens to hook users fast.
Let's look at some examples. First, Microsoft Word's editor feature. Microsoft Word sets expectations for what its editor feature can do by providing an introductory blurb about editor's capabilities. Another example is about Copilot. Copilot in Word makes clear what the system can do by providing an introductory blurb and suggesting a list of intended use cases when onboarding users. Copilot in Word also makes clear how well the system can do what it can do by providing a disclaimer that it could make mistakes and encourages users to verify information. The techniques used in this example have the potential to foster appropriate reliance on AI by reducing over-reliance. Keep in mind that over-reliance mitigations can backfire. Be sure to test such mitigations in context with your AI system's actual users. Learn more about over-reliance on AI and appropriate reliance on generative AI.
Next, pattern B. Weave in explanations from broader toolkits. Borrow "why it works" snippets to layer depth without overwhelming. Perfect for mid-flow nudges, like "this suggestion draws from your past chats."
First, Gmail sets expectations for what the system can do by using explanation patterns in its global explanation of how it determines email importance. Another example is about Viva Learning. Viva Learning makes clear what the system can do by using explanation patterns and combining local explanations and map user behaviors to system outputs.
Sound familiar? Drop a comment if you've seen this done right. Pattern C, expose system controls. Hide nothing. Show sliders, toggles, or menus up front. You control the magic, let users tweak it too. Imagine a photo editor where filters pop open instantly, no hunting required.
Let's look some examples. First, Bing Maps sets expectations for what the system can do by displaying buttons for different modes of transportation, which let the user know the system is able to provide directions for driving, taking public transit, and walking. Another example is Google Photos sets expectations for what the system can do by providing tappable labels that let the user know the system can automatically categorize images based on their content.
Pattern D, demo possible inputs. Play show and tell. Try typing a question like this. Examples spark ideas and reduce blank page paralysis.
Let's look at some examples. First, Bing Helps sets expectations for what the system can do by showing users possible system inputs that let them know how it can refine their searches. Another example is Copilot in PowerPoint makes clear what the system can do by demonstrating possible system inputs when it suggests follow-up prompts and by exposing system controls that enable the user to adjust and regenerate the slides. And Google Maps sets expectations for what the system can do by showing possible inputs that let the user know how it can refine their searches.
Finally, pattern E, show a set of outputs. Tease results carousel style. See how it handles jokes versus facts? It paints the full picture, turning maybe into must try. Picture a chat app Without this guideline, users poke around blindly. With it, a blurb says brainstorm ideas or draft replies, controls let you pick tones, and sample outputs wow them. Result? Users stick around 30% longer. Real magic. To wrap, nail Guideline 1.
Let's look some examples. First, Google Maps showing multiple outputs. Google Maps sets expectations for what the system can do by showing multiple system outputs, such as calculating time to destination and having information about tolls. Another example is Microsoft Word's Rewrite Suggestions, which provides sentence-level writing suggestions, shows different types, i.e., readability, phrasing, fluency, of suggestions for users to consider.
With blurbs, explanations, controls, input demos, and output showcases, your AI goes from mysterious to masterful. Which pattern will you test first? Comment below. I read them all. Hit like if this sparked ideas, subscribe for more design deep dives, and share with a teammate who's AI curious. Next up, Guideline 2 on performance transparency. See you there.